myself. So Marty, Rick, Chris, thank you very much for having us. Quickly, tomorrow everyone needs to attend live because we are going to be using Connect up to 60,000 capacity. So we're going to host pretty much everyone. Yes. And this is like our grand news for tonight. I'm so glad to see you today. I'm trying to get, acquainted with some of the features so that tomorrow I can present. It's brilliant. I love it. And please do not miss it. We really want to see you all. That's it. So we were just having fun, and we said let's just drop the news live to everyone. Yes, I'm so excited. so glad, guys.
Thank you so much. Absolutely. So tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern time. Please translate the time in your time zone. And it will be the very first time that we go live to the public or to a larger crowd. We've been doing that, in fact, multiple times today, this very day, and everything is good. Every time we go live, we discover some fine-tuning or enable this, add that. I said enable more, so they are created, but more features. So it's going to be overwhelming rather for the first time. So we wanted to open up to 60,000. If you're familiar with similar platforms or outdated platforms, it takes them ages, decades to get to a 60,000 threshold. We are hitting that on the very first session as a very bold ambition we're taking. If all goes well, the next time is going to be 100,000, and then catch us if you can. So within about a week after the new year, we will go another one. And remember, we have multiple phases and multiple editions. Tomorrow is the basic and the first one, and we're going to test some of the features. Ultimately, when you see us next time, it might sound different. Okay, it will look different. In fact, I thought it will be almost identical, but it will be actually visibly different than what you will see tomorrow. And we want to test that live. We will not charge you. We will not let you have the account, you nor the public, until we give it the go. So tomorrow is rather a very strong exercise. We're going to rehearse, all right? And that is history. You're going to be on the